Hi, Susan from Susan's Art and Junk Journaling. Thank you for joining me today. I got this from an auction recently. I spent $29 on everything I bought there. And this was in one of the boxes. Let me see if I can get this unscrewed. That's kind of cool, isn't it? I have to keep that. What I found interesting about this, it's like a bookmark size, so not quite 7 inches by 1 3/4 inches. (17.5 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. What's interesting about all of these, this is material. So all of this, isn't this great? Look at these. I am going to have so much fun making things with this. I have no idea where you would get this kind of a fan deck. Look at that. Now I just have to decide what colors I want to start with. I want to make probably bookmarks with these. You're going to see the thumbnail at the beginning of the video, which is going to show what I decide to do. But I have no idea what I'm going to do with these. So let's see what I can come up with. This material fan deck came in one of the boxes, and one of the boxes has a lot of Japanese memorabilia. I think I'm going to use some of this to go with these. I've got several parts to this project. The front of each of these has got pieces that need to be glued on. This is all loose. And in the back, I've got another piece that I'm going to glue onto a background so that there's journaling places on the back. So even though this is patterned, it's not going to show. I just want to use it as a substrate to strengthen this background piece. I will go through and glue all of these individual pieces on that I've cut out, and then assemble everything. Oh, there's this one as well. There we go. On the back of this card, it says it's 28 pearl plume, and that's the number. It can still be used as a journaling spot as well as this. I could glue something over that to hide that, but it's not really important. That was a quick one. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. If you could, please subscribe and comment. Bye.